Na nababakapalin, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, kasama ko ang aking pamilya and we are going to stay dito sa King's Mountainview located sa may Magalang, Pampanga. Look at our staycation for day. Oh, ang ganda, di ba?
Yes.
Ang laki din. So, samahan nyo guys if you wanna know more about this. Let's go! So actually, si King's Mountainview Resort ay may dalawang villa as of now.
Yes,
They call it Queen and then the other one is Jack. So notice the names guys, meron tayong King, Queen, and Jack. So kayo na po yung mag-isip kung ano yung relevance ng mga names na yon. So dito sa Queens, meron tayong 2 bedrooms dito sa first level. First room natin, yun. This is where we are gonna be staying, no? So meron siyang sariling CR and the bed is actually big enough for us. Let's go to the next room. And ayun.
Para siyang queen size.
Yes.
King size, queen size.
And then another comfort room dito rin sa room na to. Continue natin yung tour natin. So again, dito sa first level, meron din tayong entertainment room which is this one. Video okay, your Netflix, meron siyang sariling sound system, napakalaki. So still at the first level, puntahan naman natin yung parang pinaka gathering place. Siguro this can accommodate up until 6 or 8 tables. So you're gonna have your backdraft here. I-design nyo na lang whether a birthday or anniversary. Okay, still at the first level, dito naman tayo sa kanilang kitchen. Kitchen and dining, yes. Okay, let's go upstairs. Samahan nyo kami. Okay, so we are at the second level ng Queen's Villa. So dito guys, mayroon pa rin siyang 4 bedrooms. So the first one is right here, ito. And then the other room is this one. Sindihan natin yung ilaw. Okay, dito sa side na to, we have our balcony. Kapag wini-welcome mo yung guest mo, so dito siya, ayan. Welcome guests! So another bedroom here. So dalawang beds yung dito. And then another room. Ayan. So ang pinaka master plan ng owner natin is actually, this is the master's bedroom. Ang amenity nito, again, you have your king size bed and then the view of Mount Arayat. There you go, Mount Arayat. And then, we are back dito sa hallway, if you call it. And then dito guys, meron tayong view ng mga parang gathering place. Ayan, so plan nila dito is gonna be a conference room or multimedia room like gaming, ganyan. Dito yung plan nila. And then yung lastly nga is the balcony which has the view of Jack and the pool. Hi guys! Happy? Yes, happy. We are back dito sa common area sa first level ng Queen Villa. And you have 2 access going to Jack. So the first one is right over there, pero dadaan tayo dito. Ayan. Common restroom or the public restroom. Ito naman yung open area natin, multi-function area din in which you can actually find yung dining set. Meron din tayong kitchen is over here. We also have an entertainment dito. You can have yung smart TV natin turned into video okay or a Netflix TV. And then dun sa likod naman doon, meron tayong different kinds of table games din. Chess, table tennis, dart, and beer pong. So this time guys, nandito tayo sa Jack's Villa. Papanigan natin, tingnan natin yung rooms nila dito. Ayan. So this is the first room guys. Come in. So notice meron tayong 3 queen size bed. We also have a space here. Siguro you can stretch yung accommodation nito with extra mattresses. Actually meron tayong available mattresses dito. But in itself, it can accommodate siguro 6 sa pandil 8. And then may sarili din siyang CR over there. And guys, eto yung mga extra mattresses natin. if you're gonna need it, no? Available sila dito. One of the best place you can actually be is yung ating living area, the open balcony. Dahil nga meron tayong view ng Mount Arayat. Here is the open view. So here's the last room. And guys, so this is actually fit for a couple. It has its own CR din na dito sa likod niya.
Hi, ako po si Architect Jesse Makasakit ng McPin Architects and Builders. Sa design inspiration, gumamit kami ng modern industrial. Sa interior naman, halos modern industrial din na may touch na tropical architecture. Pagdating naman sa exterior, gumamit kami ng mga wide window na tempered glass. Then sa mga natural stone, gumamit kami ng adobe and wood finish. Gumamit talaga ng 300 square meters sa baba, then 300 sa square meters sa taas. Spacious talaga yung ano. Queen's Villa, meron siyang 6 bedroom with gaming room and entertainment area. Sa Jack Villa naman, meron siyang 2 bedroom with open planning sa baba. Dining, kitchen, living, and halos nandun na lahat. Exact area nito ay 1,740. May konting expansion. Sa ngayon, sir, ang propose namin sa client ay multi-purpose building or function hall.
Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito actually is, again, meron siyang jacuzzi. And then meron din tayong for kids at saka adults.
Let me go here. Hello. Hi. Hi. Let me go here.
This is gonna be the final area in which I'm gonna give you a tour. Open area, lalong-lalo na kapag hindi umuulan. Starry night, mas magandang mag-stargazing dito. Place for bonfire. And then from here, nakikita mo yung mga naliligo din. So kapag nagbabantay ka ng bata, I think best place you're gonna be. If you're interested to know more about this, go check out yung number we're gonna be providing or the fan page we're gonna be tagging in this video. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Hope to see you here. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.